everyone, and welcome back to Scrummy. Time and time again I get asked, how do I make the best buttermilk pancakes? Well, today I'm going to share my favourite recipe with you. I've tried so many pancake recipes and this wins hands down, and you're going to love them. Great, let's get started. Into my bowl I'm placing all-purpose flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Mix together so everything is well mixed in. Set to one side while we mix up the wet ingredients. Pour the buttermilk into a bowl. Add the eggs and the vanilla extract. Give everything a good mix. That should do it. Pour the mixture into the dry ingredients. Now using a fork, mix together. Just a few mixes, you don't want to overmix your pancake batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Add in the melted butter and fold in gently. Don't be tempted to mix it. And it's ready. Now how quick was that? Okay, so you want a nice big spoonful. I'm using a 1/3 measuring scoop. Pour onto a warm pan. Don't spread it out with your spoon, just allow the mixture to spread itself. This will take about 4 minutes to cook. When you see bubbles appearing on the pancake and the side is dried up and is no longer shiny, you can flip it over. This side will take about 2 minutes to cook. Okay, this looks great. Let's get it off. So to decorate our pancakes, I'm sticking with the classics, a little butter and lots of maple syrup. Pour it all over the pancakes. I'm going to cut these and show you how thick and fluffy they are. Oh my gosh, look at that. The best American buttermilk pancakes you'll ever eat. I hope you enjoy them. Check out some of my other great baking videos and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.
Scrummy!